So this video is all about how to get PUPS. Now, PUPS is the first meme coin on the Bitcoin blockchain. So if you check my other videos on what to look for meme coins and subscribe to the Telegram, because one of the narratives is you always want the meme coin that is the first on the blockchain. That's why tomorrow morning, Foxy, which is linked to MetaMask and the same company, Consensus Linear, MetaMask company that made MetaMask, same company that made a blockchain Linear, and they're dropping their first meme Foxy, so it's all linked. So that's why it's a good narrative to get the first meme coin, and there was all airdrops attached to that. So with this one, Bitcoin blockchain's been here for a while, but this PUPS is the first one on the blockchain, and it's been doing crazy for ages. I've wanted it, but it was too high and I didn't know how to get onto the Bitcoin blockchain. But today I've had time to work it out. So you can see 7 days, it's done a 3x, 14 days, a 23x, 30 days, a 30x. It's doing crazy on this Bitcoin blockchain. And now I see why. Because even once you do, so what I had to do, get my unisat. So download the unisat wallet, get your private key, save it to your email so you don't lose it. Then I'm using Moonpay to buy money with from fiat to pounds. I've already done £300, but I'm putting another 30 because the difference between the Unisat exchange is you can't just buy one and two. It goes in tickets. Like here, if we go to home, so you go to Unisat.io, connect your wallet, which I've done. Can go marketplace. Then if we see marketplace, if I go BRCT here, you can see I want PUPS. But the problem with this PUPS here, look how it's all tickets. The smallest from low to high, the smallest is 5,785, 38,000, all of this, which makes me want to think, how do I even sell this? I haven't even got to that part of how I'm going to even sell it, but we'll see. I'll work that out. For now, I just wanted to get in. So, but I've found out with this 5 byte one. So with 5 byte, that means it's going directly from the developer's wallet compared to these other ones where I think it's listed, anyone that's got it, they can sell it at the price that they're listing it for. Because look at these different prices that people are selling it for, and you could buy it at these different prices, 100 and so on. So these are listed. But if I go here, it's direct from the developer's wallet. So where's it gone? Over here, I've got one anyway. So PUPS here. That's why I wanted. I need $410. So I found this one here on 5 bytes PUPS. You could get $259, $388. After these two, we see the next is still 1,000. Oh, I see 299 here. So there's different ones, but it was this one I wanted. And because of the fee, I think it's gone up now, 412. I wonder if I'll even have enough by the time this sends. Let's see. So that one's sent. This one's still processing. Your order is on track to arrive in the next 21 minutes. So that's the next problem with blockchain and Bitcoin and their transaction times and things like that. But that's how you're going to basically be able to get this Unisat. Not Unisat, be able to get PUPS. So I might have to wait 20 minutes, or let's see what happens if, because then there's some other ones that are not even known and you can get them for cheaper. Because if we go, but let's see actually, this $299 one, how much would I need for that? I would need $320. So I wonder if I've got enough. Let's see. Or should I wait? Because £300, £300 in dollars. Yes, 373. Yeah, maybe I'll just get this now. And if it drops, then I'll be more prepared to put more money. So let's try. Let's have a look. So we're on here. We can see confirm. Fee rate too low. Where's the fee rate? Customize. Say normal. Okay. Let's confirm. Sign. And is that done? Let's see my wallet. So if that's done, that would seem quick. Unisat points. Yeah, so Unisat I've never really used. Download from Chrome. Yes, I've already got it, but let's see. Can I see Unisat wallet? Okay, so that's my BTC. What can I see? Can you add tokens? So maybe it might still, just like that transaction, it might. Oh, here's 5 bytes actually. So BRC20, BRC25. So probably I have to wait. Ordinals. Probably have to wait till that is completed. Description. Let's go back. Aha, there we go. So I've got 150,000 PUPS finally. So that's how we get PUPS. I've still got a bit of BTC here. Let's have a look if that other one's come. 18 minutes. Because let's look at the marketplace. Because one YouTube I saw, it said there was really cheap coins that you never heard of. Like we can see this one here is doing crazy numbers. But if I look at Zbit, something that's got discount, or Audi, so even Audi actually, big numbers you need. But let's go on the, if we go on the 5 byte one, I feel like you can get better tickets or cheaper tickets. BRC20. How did I get pops in here last time? Let's see names. And you got NFTs and stuff. But yeah, make sure you join the Telegram. We've seen today, we joined, what meme coin launched today again? There was one I saw someone went on and it was really small prices. 179. Let's see, party. Nothing's there. KC. Nothing's there. BRC20. No. So I've already done this one. Let's see if I can see my assets on here. So I can see my pops. And I can list it. So that's the way you'll sell then. So I could list it. Press list, pots for sale, inscribe, transfer, available. Yeah, so that's how I'll be able to list it. And you have to wait for someone to buy it basically until this upgrades and becomes an exchange. Or I link my wallet to exchange as well and can sell it that way. But that's basically how to get pops. And let's see, even though everything is dipping, In 1 hour, it returned 23% up high. And if you go on their website, we can see more about them. So it's just a meme coin. PUP is the first meme coin on Bitcoin, not affiliated with OPM or Bitcoin Puppets. You can go on their go on their Twitter. What have we got? 24,000 followers. Phase 3, the Great Migration. I'm going to join a Telegram in a minute on my phone. PUPS and meme coin, the largest blockchain in the world. Bitcoin. PUPS is migrating to runes with a BRC20. Another way you can get PUPS actually was on Solana, but I didn't want to go through that way because I've been wanting to make sure in this bull run you're able to connect to different. Will it bring it up? So 10x would bring it all the way to round here. Uniswap, Leo. So can it do that? Can it do that? Because we know Dog with Hat managed to be the next one that came to 44th place. So even a 5x can still bring it round to this league, to this number, isn't it? And how Shib's 13th place, 14 billion. So technically Dodge 24 billion. So technically there's potential for meme coins to be this high, but it's not all of them that will do it. But Bitcoin PUPS is doing crazy stuff. So that is how we do it. Get onto the Bitcoin network, subscribe to the Telegram, check out some things, and you can ask questions and things on the Telegram as well, and check out my products.